What's up YouTube, Silver Dragons here, and in this video I'm going to be showing off some coins that I recently picked up from SD Bullion. We got a few different things in here, some rounds, some coins, just kind of an overall mixture, and I'm going to talk about why I bought what I bought, and also stick around for the end of the video because I'll be showing off this new mermaid type coin. It's a new series that's just starting this year, so if you want to check that out, stick around for the end of the video. But anyway, let's do it. Buy your gold and silver online from SD Bullion. New customers get gold or silver at spot by visiting sdbullion.com/new. Thank you so much for watching my video. I do sincerely appreciate it. We're going to jump right in and open up this little packet of coins. So I bought these a few weeks ago from SD Bullion when they were having some type of a sale, and I don't exactly remember what all I got, but I'll show these off and we'll sort of talk about sort of the, okay, here we go. That one I remember picking up, but we'll talk about the reasons I picked up each one of these different items. You know, obviously when you're stacking silver, there's lots of different things you could get, rounds, coins, bars, whatever, and I just sort of want to give you some more information if you're new to silver, kind of what to look for. So anyway, first off, let's talk about the Maple Leaf. I'm so stoked on this deal. So the reason it actually says promo is because I was able to pick it up at spot. Now, the special they were running was the first, I think, 100 or 500 people that bought one of these. You were able to get it literally with no markup at all. I mean, not even no markup. They're losing money when they sell it at spot. Typically, these have like a $5 to $8 premium, so I got a really good deal on it. When you find those good deals, you just got to jump on them. So it says Canada, 4/9 fine silver, 1 ounce. These are beautiful silver coins. I love stacking these, and if you can find them for a good price, obviously, get as many as you can. This one here is a 2022. The year doesn't really matter on these as long as they're 2018 or newer. So you get the anti-milk spotting technology. They call it Mint Shield or something. So as long as your Maple Leafs are 2018 and newer, then, well, you're getting a great product. So I try and buy those whenever I can find a sale or just a good deal on them. The other thing I want to look at next is going to be the coins that I picked up. So I picked up, I think, 2 other coins, and I didn't get as good of a deal on these. But the reason I picked up these was because I wanted to show off what some of the less expensive silver coins look like. We have a kangaroo here from Australia. This is an Austrian Philharmonic. I believe they're both 2023. Yep. So these are usually a really good deal when you're silver stacking. You want to get the cheap stuff. Now, coins typically are more expensive than, say, the rounds, which we'll go over here in a second. But when you are buying coins, some of the cheaper ones are going to be the kangaroos, the Philharmonics, even the Krugerrands. Typically, when these are on sale, or if you're paying retail, usually you can get them for a decent price, not too much money over spot. If you're buying something like American Silver Eagles, you're going to pay a lot of money over spot, really, really high premium for stuff like that right now. So I would say if you're going to buy silver coins, just buy the ones that are cheap or on sale. Okay, now let's talk about the silver rounds. Typically, silver rounds are going to be one of the lowest premium options when it comes to buying physical silver. Now, I picked up 5 of them here, and the reason I got 5 was because I wanted to get to the free shipping mark. You have to spend $200 or more to get free shipping from most of the websites. But anyway, it says 3/9 fine silver across the top, 1 troy ounce across the bottom. These are an SD Bullion exclusive, obviously. But these do have a pretty cool design. There is a pretty smoking eagle here with clouds up top, some stars, and then it does say freedom across the bottom. But really, the design is kind of irrelevant. If you're buying silver rounds, you're buying them because you want to get some cheap silver in a 1 ounce form. And they had other options available. They had the cowboy silver rounds. They had buffalo design. I think a few others. But of all of the rounds available when I made this purchase, these particular freedom rounds were in fact the cheapest. So that's why I decided to buy these over the other silver rounds. Really, to me, It doesn't matter what they look like. I just want the silver at a good price. And that's one of the best strategies when it comes to stacking, is just buying the silver that's at a good price. I mean, across the board, everything that I got here on this order was kind of the lowest priced options. You want to pay less money for your silver so you can get more ounces in your stack. That's kind of what silver stacking is. And at the end of the day, what we're really doing is we're converting a fiat currency that has the potential to be inflated away into nothing and become worthless. And we're putting that currency into a time capsule. We're moving it into real money. So you're converting it from something that's going to be worthless into something that will always have value. Silver and gold have been used as money for thousands and thousands of years, and they will always have value. And so when you take that fiat currency, whether it be $20, $25, whatever, you put it into silver, you're protecting your buying power for generations to come. So I love buying more silver. I've been stacking for over 5 years now, and I hope to keep stacking for a very long time. But when it comes to what types of silver to buy, I hope this video was helpful. I talked generally about some of the better options out there. If you have any questions, feel free to put them down below in the comment section. But with that being said, let's show off these new silver coins, which just recently came out. So these are called the Rusalka coins. I think I'm pronouncing that right. And essentially we have a mermaid here with some flowers. Really nice high relief design. Love the finish. Each one is 2 troy ounces. And if we look at the other side, we can see the country is Cameroon. So technically these are coins. They are the first release in a brand new series, and they were sent to me for review by this Polish mint. The name of it is here at the top of this pamphlet. I'm not exactly sure how to pronounce it, so I'm not going to try. But either way, this is going to be a series of 8 different releases. And in fact, you can actually get this box as well to put them all in. And you can see they do fit in there nicely. I got that one up top already in its place. So it's going to be a cool series. It's called the Slavic Bestiary series, which is basically Slavic referring to the Indo-European nations, right? You got Czech Republic, Poland. There's a bunch of other ones. And then bestiary is just mythical creatures, essentially. So we have the mermaid. I'm not exactly sure what the rest of these are going to be. Hopefully there's a dragon in here somewhere. I have literally no idea. But if you want to collect the whole series, the first release just came out, I think, not too long ago. So anyway, I think they're very well made. I think it would be something fun to collect. Now, obviously, these are going to have a higher premium than the other types of silver stuff. This isn't really silver stacking. This is more just coin collecting. But they did send them to me to review, and I think they did a really good job with these. So hopefully the rest in the series look just as good. So anyway, let me know what you think about these as well down below in the comment section, and I will see you all in my next one. Silver Dragons out.